Hi everybody, it's Constance, your AI career strategist. Let's talk about it. Is your job going to be replaced due to robotic automation? How do you know? How do you not know? So let me give you one way to kind of think about it broadly, right? And when you are looking at your job daily, the tasks that you perform every day, what percentage of those tasks are routine in nature? What percentage of your tasks are repetitive? If you say, hey, Constance, I think 70% of the tasks that I perform every day are repetitive, are routine in nature, that is a good indication that your career or your job may potentially be replaced through automation. Let's look at bookkeepers, for example. A lot of what a bookkeeper does is routine, it's repetitive. Bookkeeping is one of the careers that studies have indicated will be replaced in the next 10 years, right? Another career that is supposedly on the chopping block is paralegals because of the research aspect of it. Very routine. A robot can be trained to do that work. And so when you are looking at your career, that is the mindset that I want you to sort of have, is how much or what percentage of your job is repetitive, what percentage of your job is routine. That's how you start to kind of think about your career. Then the question is, what do you do about it, right? So what should the bookkeeper do, or what should the paralegal do? Well, step one is to just really see, are there opportunities where you can reskill, where you can upskill or pivot? So depending on where you are in your career, depending on how old you are, those are sort of the next kind of steps in evaluating what to do next, right? So if you're earlier on in your career, it may be a good time to think about pivoting. If you're later in your career, you want to upskill, you want to reskill. So take some time this week to look at your job. Write down, if you must, all the tasks that you do every single day for the next 5 days, and see what percentage of what you do daily within your job is routine and repetitive. And if by the end of the week you've calculated that between 60 to 70% of your job is routine and repetitive, you want to have a plan in place for the next 5 to 10 years. Comment below, do you feel secure in your career? Do you feel that your career could potentially be displaced due to automation? I want to hear from you. Let me know what your thoughts are.